Wow, they are gone. They are gone.
I wanted one close up, man. One close up.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Anisha this side. There's gonna be a lot of background noise जो हम help नहीं कर सकते हैं. I'm so sorry. But let's move into the video. I mean अभी तब तक सन नहीं थी, but जब मैं आके यहाँ पर बैठी तब तक सनराइज हो चुकी थी. तो मैंने बोला चलो मॉर्निंग सनराइज से ही करते हैं.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So, आज ये वीडियो हम इसलिए बना रहे हैं क्योंकि कल मैंने न्यूज़ में देखा था कि देर आर दीज फ्लेमिंगोज दैट हैव कम टू मुंबई. ओके, देर आर मिलियंस ऑफ फ्लेमिंगोज बोल रहे हैं, नो लाइक आई डोंट नो एंड आई हैव नॉट सीन अ फ्लेमिंगो. सो टुडे वी विल बी गोइंग टू वॉच सम फ्लेमिंगोज. सो आई विल बी टेकिंग यू गाइज विद मी. इट्स नियर बाय ओनली, सो विल गो एंड वॉच इट. एंड आई डोंट नो इफ यू आर गोना गेट इट बिकॉज ये कल के न्यूज़ में था. आज अभी होगा कि नहीं आई डोंट नो, बट विल गो एंड सी. जाके देखने में क्या जा रहा है. सो दिस इज़ माई फेवरेट प्लेस टू सिट इन द मॉर्निंग. यहाँ पर मैं मेरा मॉर्निंग कॉफ़ी लेके आ जाती हूँ. सनराइज़ हो जाता है तब तक गाड़ियाँ चलती रहती है. देयर आर पीपल मूविंग, पीपल गोइंग टू ऑफिस, पीपल जॉगिंग, वॉकिंग एक्सेट्रा. सो देयर इज़ काइंड ऑफ अ गुड वाइब हियर इन द मॉर्निंग. इवन इन द इवनिंग यहाँ पर ही मिलूँगी मैं खिड़की में. सो मेरा 10-15 मिनट यहाँ पर ही जाता है मॉर्निंग का. And it is how the day begins. So yeah, and also mummy is not home. Mummy has mummy has traveled to Kerala, so we have a lot of work to do. So we are going to watch the flamingos in the evening. So morning से evening तक जो चल रहा है वो मैं दिखा. I mean I will try to vlog it if possible. Otherwise I don't know, there is a lot of work now because mummy is not there. So let's see what a day in my life is. Charlie also. Say hi. Morning classes. Studying or what?
So at 1 time to be on time.
We'll have idli dosa in the morning, so it's cooking right now. Then we'll have that, and then we'll get to work, and then we'll work, then we'll make lunch.
Then we'll eat lunch and then we'll go to watch the flamingo. Then we'll come back. Then we'll cook the dinner. Then we'll eat the dinner.
I mean, यही चल रहा है यार दिन पूरा. Like the whole day is going in the kitchen now. Hats off to all the mummies out there and all the working ladies who are with their husband and kids. Dude, how do you guys do this? I mean, सही है. So first 2 days were really hectic for me. Like it was whole like you know, like मम्मी थी घर पे तो it was like हाँ अपने को कोई टेंशन नहीं है. अपने को सिर्फ खाना खाना है और काम करना है. अपना जो भी पर्सनल काम है वो सब निपटा सकते. So there was a lot of time. बट जब मम्मी नहीं है इट इज़ लाइक आई रियली डोंट हैव टाइम फॉर माई सेल्फ. ओके, इट इज़ जस्ट वर्किंग एंड पप्पा इज़ देयर एट होम. सो यू नो एवरीथिंग नीड्स टू बी गोइंग लाइक disciplined way, and they are just making me ready for a marriage. I'm just turning into a marriage material kind of. Just kidding guys. So that is how it is. The day is going like this. Let's see, I will show you how the day is going. Time for some coffee and then we'll be going to buy some fish. कितना आवाज है यार.
Super na?
Monu, say how was today's breakfast?
It was nice. Very nice. Very nice. Wonderful.
Yay! Monu, how is the life without mummy?
This is my life without mummy.
I swear. अगर if it was just me and Monu, then it would have been much more. हाँ, like बहुत easy हो जाता था भी.
Right.
Yeah.
There is someone else also.
So if we were together, then तो ठीक है हम लोग bread या you know.
कुछ भी पेट भरने के लिए खा लेते हैं.
Exactly. But अभी it's not like that. It's like this.
उधर healthy food चाहिए होता है, correct.
उनको time में healthy food
टाइम में सवेरे का हेवी चाहिए रहता है। बर्गर करेक्ट 8-8:30 बजे को रात को खाना चाहिए रहता है। दोपहर को 2:30 को खाना रेडी होना पड़ता है। ब्रेक
Right now we are going to Nerul. So basically we are going to see the flamingos that have come down. So finally Monu has come. He has taken like 2 to 3 hours to get ready and I was just waiting downstairs for him. So we are in the hope going to watch the flamingos. This is the first time I'm seeing flamingos in Navi Mumbai.
Me too.
Even though
Me too.
yeah, even he's like I have come to Navi Mumbai. I have never watched flamingos. Even if like it comes in December probably, in every year, like every year December it comes, but I have not seen it. But this time I hope we do. Let's go. So we have reached at the flamingo point that is in Nerul, but we don't see any flamingos right now. And
We're waiting
but
for
see one. Okay, so it's like we asked an uncle and he said that it will be coming by 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Don't have a watch also.
yeah, coming from there. Okay, and this is the whole crook, kind of, and there is this guy doing photography. Okay, there is something. I hope we see something. We have no clue where we have to go, but we are just walking. Yeah, explore. We see some flamingos flying here and there, but I don't see like but I don't see that. Like yesterday we saw that bulk, flock of flamingos, but now we don't.
And they
see.
were pink.
Yeah, this is white. इन्होंने सारा editing करके कुछ कर है क्या मालूम. See one. Coming. Where? हाँ रे दिख गया. These are not flamingos. These are normal birds. What is this, yaar?
Left, right.
I don't know. उन्नो किधर गए? Roads are pretty much like this. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see. There. Let's go. Long way to go. Let's go. So हम finally पहुंच गए हैं. आपको आवाज़ सुनाई दे रहा होगा. It's pink flamingos. So I will show you. I don't know if you can see it. The color you won't be. Oh my God, Monu! There are so many. the whole patch
Area.
over there, yeah, the whole area is flamingos, and then the whole pink, and then
Here are the white patch.
here are the whole.
I think it's
Here again you have few. See, this one. Then again you have it here. I hope you can see this one. तो हम वो एक स्पॉट ढूंढ रहे हैं जहाँ हमें वो थोड़ा और नज़दीक में दिख जाए, you know. So it's coming nearby, and sun is almost setting. Loving it. So, oh, yeah.
Shit, man, they flew, man. I wanted photos.
Shit.
Come back.
Sexy यार, लास्ट अपन ने भगाया उन लोगों को. Wow, they are gone. They are gone.
Shit.
Shit.
I wanted one close up, man. One close up.
Shit. Oh, that's the end. Mono is sad because he didn't get a picture of
One
him.
close up. I just need one close up. If you see in the video, you will see that I'm going very quietly. And this one over here.
But I didn't know they are gonna fly.
And the moment she took step.
They are gone, and you look at the picture. That's beautiful. In fact, तू उसका screenshot निकाल ले. Sorry. So that's
Jugadu.
yeah. So now we are walking back home.
It's a long way home.
It's a long way. So it's already 6:10. So we'll leave now so that we reach home. Otherwise, Papa is gonna kill
आप
us.
जैसे चढ़ोगे?
हाँ जी, चढ़ूंगी मैं.
चढ़ो भाई.
चलो. Bye. See you at home.
Yeah. Why did she...
Oh, Mono. Oh, देख उधर है.
I don't know if you guys can see. The view from here is good, dude.
Yeah, sunset.
I wish I had this time lapse over here.
Yeah, I am telling you. रख दे.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Look, Tiny, she's thinking that I'm taking photo of her, but I'm not actually taking the photo.
What is this, yaar?